All right. Temperature today is 98.1. Still within 7 points. I know. Of 98.8. Even if I go up a little bit, it won't matter. Now, again, if you have no symptoms for how long? 14 days. 14 days. Do you have the virus or not, right? See, most people think by now the virus should be what? Oh, gone. See, here's the problem with the virus. Either you're in the hospital or you have it in a carrier. So, why ain't it going away? I know. Sorry. I choked myself this morning a little bit. You know how when your saliva goes down the wrong pipe? So, anyway, so Biden's ahead in Georgia today. Um, Looks like Nevada too, right? And Pennsylvania, right? Now, if he gets Pennsylvania, Georgia, and Nevada, he wins. He wins. He's also ahead in the popular vote by about 5 million, right? A little bit more than Hillary. A little bit more than Hillary. Now, Donald's still ahead in North Carolina, but that's the point, right? Though the lead is less than 10,000 in Nevada, right? It's less than 1,000 in Georgia. Cause they gotta do something weird and different, I guess. Right. Now, you know he's gonna challenge at least Georgia, right? And Pennsylvania seems to be about 5,000, maybe. I can't really tell. There's got to be a morning after. Chewbacca. But even with Pennsylvania and Nevada, if Biden has 253 now, how much does he need to be president, right? 11. and 6, right? That's 270, right? Well, each state has a number of electoral votes, right? Right. Because, see, some people don't understand rehabilitation can even occur mentally, right? Right. I know. So in PA and Georgia, Biden's taking the lead, right? By 5,000, 11,000. And Pennsylvania has 20, right? And it's kind of huge in Nevada, right? 11,000, right? But the two you challenge are Georgia and Pennsylvania. That's within 5,000, right? Right. Exactly. mm, it's kind of hard with Nevada. That's 11,000. That's a little bit different, right? So, see, it looks like the counties are mainly red. See, if the thing is the population, okay, in the other counties, if larger, right, that's why, again, right, you might have less blue and more red if the population in the other counties is different, right? Need to explain that to you too, right? And it's not like in the electoral college where each state gets so many electoral votes to equal 270, right? Now, rehabilitation takes place when you're trying to get better. They use those, for example, your voices, right? But you can also learn to ignore the voices, right? If that's all you have to deal with your mental illness, and that can be more associated with bipolar or schizophrenia. But like I said, schizophrenics also sometimes hallucinate, right? Now, like I told you, I saw clouds that sometimes look like a hand or something. I don't know. But nothing too weird. Right, right. I know. As me and Dr. Weinrep saw each other for about a 3 to 4 month period, right? And, the normal psychiatrist thing, he's once a week or, right? Because the only problem there was sleeping, right? Falling asleep during class, right? See, that could turn into narcolepsy or some kind of form of also sleep deprivation, right? See, there's also something called insomnia that can be a medical problem if you're in the Navy. And that can also lead to bipolarism because of the mania part, right? Well, for instance, during the mania part, you might can stay up 3 or 4 days and not sleep at all, right? I know. But then you crash, right? And you sleep for a long, you know, over 8 hours, right? Things like that, right? But then you kind of go back to a normal cycle after a while. Well, there'll be recounts in at least Georgia, right? And Pennsylvania. Nevada's kind of, you know, over 10,000. I don't know about that one, but they might not worry about that one. But Pennsylvania and Georgia, they're going to fight for, because it's either you got 20, right, and 6, right, and Trump gets 15 more, but that's only what?